In this video, we will go over the valid anagram question and algorithm. The problem tells us given two strings, s and t, return true if t is an anagram of s and false otherwise. We are also given the definition of an anagram, which is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all of the original letters exactly once. In other words, both strings need to have the same count of the same letters. The algorithm I am thinking of is to first go over each letter in string s, and create a map of each letter and the count of times that the letter appears in the string. Next, we will go over each letter in string t and check if the map doesn't contain it, or if the count of that letter in the map is 0. If either of these conditions is ever met while our algorithm is running, then we can return false. Each time we hit a letter that is in the map, we will decrement the count associated with it. After that, we will go over each letter in the map. If it has a count other than 0, we know that we haven't used all of the letters, and therefore the strings are not anagrams. Else, if the count of all the letters in the map is 0, we know that the two strings are anagrams.